Alright guys, Paul here again, quite a happy man. So cracked open a beer here. So good. What's happened basically is I've rebuilt this Limitless, so I had the big crash weight at 98 mile an hour. Not looking absolutely showroom, but to me, I don't think it looks like a car that's in a 98 mile an hour crash now, so quite happy at that. But I'll show you the insides now. Take this lid off. Right, this is what we've done. I've got my exact same suspension set up and everything because it was handling well. There's no issues that way at speed. I've put the steering down to about 50% reaction time, so it's a lot slower than it was, just to keep it straighter, just so I've not got any chance of turning fast at high speed. So that's down low. We've got the Traxxas motor in here, the 17, I think it's 17880 kV. I've got the 34 tooth spur and the 34 tooth pinion, so that's absolutely monstrous. What I've done as well is I've took out the battery tray. One of the battery trays, left that empty. I'm just going to run on a 6 cell high discharge 120C LiPo, but one battery, so just hopefully get lighter with that. It's a 4000 milliamp LiPo that I'm using as opposed to 5500 3S LiPos, so hoping that'll save a bit of weight too. I've stuck the downforce a little bit back on the front. Maybe need to trim it down a little bit. It's a wee bit rough how I've cut it, so I'll sand that down. But I'm just thinking, if I do hit the speeds that this possibly could do, I want a bit of downforce at the front in case it flips, and also it hides a lot of the damage that I've done at the front. So you can see it's a little bit battered at the bottom, but I'll replace that once I get a good result. Also, I've tied up the the battery connector here, just keeping it out the road. Don't want anything hitting off the drive shaft or that, so I've got that all taped up. Obviously just with the one battery tray, I only need the one side anyway, so that's all good to go. Another thing what I've done is I've went through the settings on my program card for my hobby wings, and try and zoom this in a bit for you. So I've got obviously forward and reverse on it. The low voltage is just at auto. The cut-offs and stuff, that's at 125 degrees. And the main ones really is I've got the max brake force at 25%. Still, I like to keep that low. And I've added a 12% drag brake. So I don't know if you can see that there. It's too much reflection. Where do we go? Yeah, at the bottom there, it's 12% drag brake, which is setting number 7. So these wee programming cards are good. You can get everything done really quick. But yeah, it's ready to go now. Everything's tightened up, went over, running really well by the sounds of it. Everything looks straight. So what I'll do just now is I'll plug in just a 3S LiPo and let you see kind of the wheels rolling and stuff, and yeah, then we're ready to go. Right, that's on there, just 3 beeps for 3S. You can hear that little drag brake kicking in there a bit as well when I take it off the throttle, so hopefully it'll get me a more controlled stop. But yeah, next time you see this, we'll be going for another pass, 6S, and hopefully we'll be a good bit over the 100, fingers crossed anyway. So just a little update for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.